3,500 meters up on an active volcano. It's absolutely freezing. Things exploding just over here. We can't see anything. It's just a little bit terrifying. I don't know. We'll try and get a bit closer maybe. Tomorrow, we are going up Volcan de Fuego. Fuego! All right, let's go. Perdóname. It is a cloudy day. We're not feeling so confident about the fact that today is the ideal day to go up a giant volcano. When you see the volcano, it's completely covered in clouds. You can't even see that there's a volcano there. So, to go or not to go? I think we've decided, we're going up the volcano. Let's see what we see. Socks, let's go. I'm tired. Should we go back down now?
Yeah.
Nah. We're coming up to about halfway. We've still got quite a climb yet. And we are in a race against the rain. It's only the excessive uphill hiking that's keeping us nice and warm. Over here in these clouds, if there wasn't clouds, we would be seeing explosive eruptions from Volcan de Fuego. Hopefully, tomorrow morning, in the middle of the night, we'll be able to see some beautiful lava.
I love you.
The rain is coming. We gotta find a place to put up the tent. There's a campsite. The rain's coming literally as we're arriving at the campsite. Woo. Absolutely knackered. See, amor! We're here! Woo! What timing? Yeah!
Ooh.
Oh my God. Look at that. There's our volcano. Oh, he's exploding right now. Fucking bienvenidos. Welcome to Volcan de Fuego. That is crazy. Lightning. Oh my God. We got it all. Woo! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Let's go. Woo!
Tired.
Holy fuck. This is a race against the clock. That is extremely hard. Just tried to fly the drone because it was absolutely stunningly beautiful. And then literally as I was pressing fly, this happened. Mars way ahead of me, so I'm going to go and try and catch up. See if there is anything above these clouds, or there's just more clouds. My God, 8 kilometers has never been so hard. Restricted area. Epic amount of clouds. We are almost at the top. Freezing cold wind. I'm gonna put the camera down and put my hand back in my pocket. Try and keep my hand from shaking. This is us lying on the ground, hiding from the wind as much as possible. Fuck, it's cold. I'm gonna put my hand back in the pocket. This is a shaky, shaky, shaky video. Look at that! There's a volcano. Fucking woo! Oh, fuck yes! It's bloody cold! I don't know if I've said that enough. By the way, if you ever come to Volcan de Fuego and it's the wet season, it's quite windy, cloudy, it's probably going to be just a little bit cold. Bring gloves.